So today in this video I want to talk to you how you can make extra money using your drones. So I have here my DJI Mini 3 Pro and my Air 2S, and I'm using them drones to shoot videos, images, 360 images as well, and most of them, if not all of them, are on stock agency for sale. Before we move forward, do not forget to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well if you like the video. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to join my online board, myprochannel.com. It's totally free to join and we can talk about anything. And just moving forward with this, it's basically how you can make extra money using your drone. So let's say you purchase a drone and you want to earn money. It's very tough. I won't say you'll become a millionaire overnight. It's a hard work. I've been doing this for 2 years and I only recently started to earn some little bit of money. Not much as I wish, but it's still a good start for me. And I want to tell you what kind of images they sell good and what kind of images you should focus on taking. It's really important to take images that customers will likely to buy and not something you want to do. So everything was nice and you think it looks nice to you might not look nice to the customers. So I've noticed some images which I sell even with my phone, they're really ugly, they sometimes out of focus, and they do sell. It's nothing I can do. Some people, they need them images for some projects, but I'm happy they sell. With drone footages, it's really important to focus on images that has value. So what kind of images? Basically, let's say building sites, they good images because they have commercial value. Let's say city images, if you live in a city, they do sell good because they have commercial value. Obviously you'll need like permissions and all these extra qualifications. Or if not, just buy mini drone and you should be alright to fly as long as you follow and you're checking online the applications, so there is no restrictions. Anyway, and videos are pretty much the same, everything with commercial value. So I'm going to show you, this video is basically a building site video which I've shot I think 2 years ago, and here you go, some images. They again same from building site and they do have commercial value. Some of them sold on some agencies and it's totally depends on agencies. Some they don't sell on one agency, some they do sell on other agencies. And what kind of images you should focus, as I said earlier, you should focus on images with commercial value. Beautiful images like nice landscape, they don't really have much commercial value. However, you can sell them as a print. So if you can set up a website and just upload your best landscape images using your drone, you have a chance to sell them for prints. You're gonna earn more. However, the expenses will be more as well. With stock photography and videography, the price and the royalties is very low. So if you do nice landscape images using your drone, they will do very well as a print. And if you do stock photography, they're gonna have commercial value. However, you're gonna earn less money. So let's say I've shot some images using my drone with let's say of building site, and chose images to sell for 10 pence online. It's not massive income, it's basically 10 pence, it's nothing. But if you shoot nice landscape images, you have a chance to sell them for more money. So that's pretty much what I want to talk to you. So that's basically pretty much what I want to share with you, what I've learned from being a drone pilot and earning extra money using my drone. If you were the same like me, I would probably recommend to sign up with a couple of agencies. Make sure you have good and nice portfolio, and do not forget to edit them as well. You'll definitely need to learn color grading videos and editing your images using the Photoshop, Lightroom or other softwares. But yeah, that's pretty much what I want to talk to you, what I want to share with you, what I've learned as being a bit of stock photographer, or let's say a hobbyist, because I am a hobbyist. I have a full-time job, so earning extra money selling my images are the big bonus for me and helps paying the bills. Especially helps sometimes to save some extra money to upgrade my drones or my camera lenses, because they all expensive. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe my channel, and again, any questions ask on my board. myprochannel.com is free to join. We can talk there about more in depth about images, about how to make extra money using your drone. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.